A friend was just telling me about this new, well, I don't know if it's new, but new to us discovering it, thrift store in our town. I couldn't be more excited to go check it out. I don't know how much video I'm going to be able to get because if it's like one person working there and just me in the store, it's kind of awkward. But I'm going to do my best in like stealth video mode. I'm just getting my coffee in my nice little Yeti mug. How do people have those big Stanley things and they manage to like drink out of it? They're huge. I got this from a Secret Santa thing and I absolutely love it. It's tiny. It's perfect. Let's go thrifting.
And I think it was interesting because to me that speech, it was really the least or to even meaningfully acknowledge the strengths that brought the industry in the past year. I think really Gladstone was.
Did you see those prices? So inexpensive. And for the record, it is just me in here and one lady behind the counter, but I managed to just be secretly filming and I didn't look to see if she was watching.
Such a lovely lady in there. I'll show you what I got. I got this little game thing. I don't even know what it is. These little, oh, maybe it's like monkeys, but they're bunnies. Anyways, I didn't want it. All I wanted was this little basket because I was looking for something that looked like a bird's nest. Perfect. I got this other little basket for a grand total of 80 cents. I gave her $1. She gave me her card, 22nd Avenue Secondhand, Kathy, and she's open Tuesday through Saturday from 11 to 5, and she said she gets new stuff every day. So I'll leave this here. Definitely check her out. Things are a mess over here, but I went to my other thrift store and I got this beautiful little crock. It says, oh, it's made in China thing, but it was $2.50. This is what I had before, and this is what it is now. I think it's way better. And then I got some more baskets because, you know, I collect them. And these frames I'm going to use for a project. I've done a lot of thrifting over the last several weeks. I have been collecting things to use in my DIY centerpieces that I've been working on for our town's business awards banquet. Here's some video of how everything came together. I also collected all of the bottles and cleaned them, scrubbed the labels off, and spray painted them, and then put it all together with pearl beads, feathers, and some old photos from Smithers. The event is celebrating 100 years of the Chamber of Commerce in Smithers, so it is set in the 1920s. I think that the decor is just so perfect. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, or if you're local and you went, let me know how the event was. I've got an epic thrifting trip coming up. I'm not going to say any more. You're going to have to wait to find out, but make sure you hit that subscribe button because you're not going to want to miss it. There's probably going to be several videos because I just know it's going to be amazing.
Have a look at my other videos if you want to see what I've been thrifting. Thanks for watching and see you next time.